Here at Custom Design and Construction, our design-build philosophy encompasses every aspect of a home remodeling project. By combining our on-staff architect, interior designers, and project managers into a coherent whole, there really is a team of people working for you behind the scenes, with the ultimate goal of a project that really changes our clients' lives for the better.
Now, throughout the design process, we first start with putting everything into 2 dimensions. And that really is more an attempt to establish a footprint for the project. And as that design starts to evolve, we'll start to use 3D imaging. And that 3D imaging, for most people, gives them a sense of space.
They just make things easy. I mean, they're here for you. And the nice thing is that they do the design work for you. And so you get to see what you're going to get before you sign the contract. And so you're satisfied in your own mind because, you know, the nice thing is that you don't have an outside independent architect doing a design and then they'll select and go out and get bids from the construction general contractors who you don't know.
For me, I like to see what the client values or what makes them comfortable, what they're drawn upon. And I see myself as just a medium towards that.
You know where you're getting. You're not spending throughout the project, okay, now the cabinets are coming in. Dang, or you know what, I have to go out now to go to Home Depot because now I have to pick up the knobs myself, or I have to go, you know, get this yourself. Everything's done. I like that fact that you're not spinning and stressing out the whole time about, okay, shoot, now the bathroom's finished, now I got to pick out the towel rack or what kind of toilet or so I think that put us at ease because it wasn't like we had to go out and do everything. They did a lot of the work for us, and that made it easy and more pleasurable. You know, it wasn't like you were just stressed out the whole time.
We're both really busy, and they worked around our schedules, so it was open to us to meet once a week initially, but we couldn't always make it. But they would either come to our house to make it more convenient for us versus us. At the time, their office was in West LA, so it was quite a trek for us, but they would adapt to our schedules. And they were always available in terms of either via email or texting or making a phone call. If I had to leave a message, they'd get back to me in a timely fashion. So it was very open communication.
Yeah, and there's no downtime on responses. I mean, you know, other than me, when they text me, I'm always delaying getting back to them, but when I text them, I get a call or a text right back. And same with Soledad, when she's emailed, you know, the designers, there's an exchange. They send attachments to, you know, if we want to change things. So communication is superb.
We have the opportunity and the privilege of being in a very unique position with our clients. Because we're in their home every day for weeks, months, as I mentioned before, maybe up to a year depending on the size of the project, we get to know each individual as a person, not as a client. We'll be there early in the morning, we greet them when they wake up, we care about the pets, we meet the pets, we know the children, and through the course of this we really get bonded. We know about their lives, we know about their family, we know about their jobs, we know about important things coming up. As part of our weekly meetings, there's always going to be, well, I've got to be here, I've got this, I've got a graduation. And we get to share that with the clients. And at the end of the day, we probably have a closer bond with that client than anyone outside of their immediate family. And that's something that I truly respect and, you know, I embrace. And that is really why we truly care about the people. We've bonded with them. We feel like we would treat them like we would treat any member of our own family. And so when it comes to any kind of inconveniences in the construction process, I really think through how would I want someone to treat me and how would I treat someone in my own family to keep them comfortable, keep them safe, and keep them out of harm's way.
It took us a while to finally pick a company out that we enjoyed or that we liked. You know, we've gone to companies before where we bought the drawings, we're like, oh yeah, this is really cool, this is great. We brought them home, we're looking at them, and I start measuring them out, like, this doesn't even make sense. You know, why would this drawer open up into this drawer? You can't even open the drawer all the way. Or this is a kitchen. Why would you put a sink in the kitchen? You have to measure it out that would fit in the bathroom, not in your kitchen. So just things like that. And then, like I said, it really felt like they put thought and effort and made it almost their own, as if it was their house. That's how it made me feel.